So over the years, the Muzzy XD has evolved quite a bit. From the original Muzzy XD 1067 to the all-new Muzzy XD 1079 and the 1069, which was in between. There's a few different variations, so let's get a closer look. There are multiple variations of the Muzzy XD. The original, the Muzzy XD 1067, had a flatter hood, okay? But this style has now changed over to this style. And the main difference is the inclusion of the longer hood that is included in the Pro Series. Now, this Pro Series reel, which could be either of two models, the XD 1079, which is the push button style that is shown here, and a Muzzy Pro 1069, which is the lever style. More on that as we get into the series. But these Pro style reels not only featured the extended hood assembly, they also featured an integrated stainless steel reel seat that is pre-made into the body of the reel. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on this episode today. You know, I hope this totally helped you and simplified the Muzzy. I hope you guys never hesitate to take that back cap off and look to see what's going on in there. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, smash that like button if you like what you've seen here today, and we'll see you guys out on the water. Hey, share this video for somebody who needs to work on their equipment just a little bit. We all know that one guy. We'll see you next time, guys.